Welcome to the introduction of our latest project, EcoCircle. EcoCircle, a platform that rewards sustainability and promotes a green future. Just suppose I'm a factory owner of the CBL factories, and I want to use my platform in order to promote the green activity that I have done in order to claim the points, tax benefits, and other services. So, as soon as you log in or register by your credentials, you will come onto the landing page that promotes gross sustainability by reaping the benefits afterwards. So, this gives you an overview of how our project actually functions. We empower the factory in order to promote them towards greener future and make them do green activities. Now, how to boost your profile by performing sustainable practices, that is another journey that we shall explore. We have three main benefits. You submit your practice onto our platform, according to which you get points and you get tax benefits to claim from. You can unlock the tax benefits by providing the activities of sustainability along with a granted proof that provides the validity of the practice being actually performed. After that, we also connect you to various NGOs to organize workshop and promote eco training in order to educate the world towards a brighter future. Coming on to the option where we will have to add the practice that we've performed, we go on to the Submit Your Practice option. This shall land us on the page of the Sustainable Practice Edition. So, according to the drop down menu, you can select what all practice that you've performed. So, you have selected the practice of eco friendly packaging. After providing a description about the practice that you've performed, you will see the points awarded according to the activity you've chosen, and that shall help you to claim the tax benefit. Now we go on to the choose file option. We shall select the file that will be needed for the identification of the validity of the activity that you've performed. It adds as a proof. Then submit your practice. And now you can see that we have seen that our proof has been auto validated. That's the biggest pivotal feature of our website. Once you log on to all your details and add practices, you will see that your practice gets validated automatically and you come onto the eco friendly tax benefits dashboard. Now, here you can see your previous points along with the new points, that is, plus 8 points, have been shown. Now, according to this, you will check that your Tier Platinum tax reduction, 40% tax reduction can be granted to you. Now, how to claim this? Simply by clicking on the Claim Now option. Once you have claimed the benefit, you will see that your total savings in dollars have also changed according to the money tax benefit that you've claimed. We also show the previously claimed taxes that have been accessed by you according to the eco activities that you have filled through the Submit Your Practice page. Let me take you to the other features. The auto scanner will pick up the document that you had patched in during the Add Practices column. After that, to validate it, you need to go to the profile page. The validity of the document can be showed in the following way. Here is your dashboard. According to your dashboard, your file details and everything have been shown. After your filtration of your details, you see the practice list that has been implemented by you over a period of time. Here you can see two tags, approved and pending. Now, according to this, you see that when the document gets approved, you get the green sign, and pending sign shows when your document needs manual verification. So, here the latest practice by me that has been added to the add practice column has been auto verified and got the tag of approval. Once this approval tag shows on your profile, then only you can claim the taxes and get the dollars transferred to your saving. So, this is one of our brilliant features to reduce the manual workload. Now, if you see a pending tag associated along with the ad practice that you have seen, you can go for manual verification that has been also provided as an option in the scanner. The auto scanner will fetch your details. According to this, you can see the details have been fetched from the document automatically, and then this shall be verified. As you can see, we also have the leaderboard option, providing you a healthy competition among the factories so that they compete towards a global and a greener future in a good way. So we have the SVL factory with eco points of 348 leading with the golden trophy. We have different types of designated trophies according to the eco points that are being awarded to the factories for the work that they have been doing. You can see the listed NGOs for your eco training. So, as you can see, you can search NGOs. The services related to them have been listed according to the domain that they have been catering to. And after that, you can also search for the NGOs by clicking on the search bar. Let us say I have searched about the NGOs. The searching pattern shows the NGO according to the name that has been tagged in the search bar, which shows you their vision, their contact details, their status, and ratings out of 5. According to this, you can see which best suits you to promote your eco training from your factory to the outer world, and that's where you can patch up with them. So, this is how our website EcoCircle works, providing a greener and a sustainable future. That's our only vision, and that brings us to the end of this project detailed explanation. I hope you like the project.